Luto po ako ng pachamba. Ayan na po, kinisa ko na yung manok. Kinisa ko sa sibuyas, kamatis, tapos puro lang yan pakpak. Ayan ang ingredients niya. Carrots, tapos repolyo, tapos yan. Pachamba. It's good taste. Good smell. For all wings, this one. All wings. All wings. All wings. And carrots. And then repolyo. Cabbage. All wings na yan. Pacham lang yan po. Para sa lunch namin. Luto lang. Halokay. Sarap po yan. Yan. Saka ito. Yan. Kailangan natin kumulo. Magmamantika na po siya. Tapos malapit na yan maluto. Tapos pag okay na yung manok, sunod ko yung carrots. Yan. Carrots yan. Tapos repolyo. Can you give for me more water? Can you give water please? Ang chef ko, ayan ang chef assistant. Yeah, can you give water? Even no hot, can you give me?
Okay.
Thank you. Ayan. Thank you my assistant. Ayan po. May assistant po ako. She's my assistant for cooking. After you can test my food. Okay? Okay, yala, bye.